Hi guys, this is Miss DeBoer here, and I'm going to show you about a really fun and silly activity you're going to be doing this week in order to learn about the expectations for when you have Google Meets with your teacher. Okay, so this is the document that you're going to be opening on your Google Classroom. Okay, once you open it, it looks like this. You're going to type, wherever you see a box that says My Name type your name. Okay, and then on each page, as you click here on the left, it's going to have a different Google Meet rule or expectation. So the first one is be on time. So the expectation is be on time to Google Meets. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch these videos. Each of these Google Meet expectations has a silly video of a teacher breaking the rule for you to watch. So you can see a non-example of the rules, okay? So they're meant to be a little silly and teach you what not to do. So in order to watch it, you just click the play and it'll launch it just like right through YouTube.
All right, class. Well,
Okay, you can maximize to full screen if you want to see it larger, or just keep it here. Once you finish watching the video for the rule, on the right hand side will be an activity. So this one just says, do you think it's important to be on time to Google Meets? Why or why not? So when it says type here, if you click there, you can erase those words, so you can backspace and then start typing. I think it is important, whatever you want to say. Okay, writing complete sentences. If this font is too large, you can just highlight it and go up to the font and make it smaller. So you can change it for what you need, okay? And then there's not that much typing. That one is typing. However, this one, which is about muting yourself when others are speaking, you have to read the directions carefully. You can drag this button over to the box. So you can actually click and drag the mute button over. Okay, so if you see something on the side with an arrow, read the directions and you can actually drag things around. Okay, so I think that's about all you need to know for this one. It's pretty self-explanatory. Enjoy the rules, the videos of the silly teachers breaking the rules. And if you have any questions, feel free to email your teacher. All right, bye.